recovery from hernia surgery is relatively fast. Discomfort is greatest the first few days after surgery, though when you have surgery itself, it's completely painless. Usually, we want you walking the day afterwards, because the sooner you walk, the sooner you move, the more flexibility you get. In terms of return back to work, many people could actually return back to light computer or office work within a few days after surgery. Now, if your job is more demanding, you may need more time off recovery. So people sometimes may take a week off where they go back to light lifting or restricted duty. Now, if your job is more arduous, sometimes you need a little bit longer for recovery. But we work with you to find out the best timing to get you back to work and get you back to functioning.